Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Jessica, that is my daughter Hannah in the back, and we are in the car today because we are going to Ikea. It's about a 2.5-hour trip for us, and today we're going to be looking for a new desk for Hannah and also a new computer chair, and I'm going to get some things, of course, so we're going to take you along for the journey, and we hope you enjoy this video. When we finally got to Ikea, we were starving, so of course we had to eat in the cafeteria. Hannah had some of the Swedish meatballs, and I had some of their vegetarian meatballs, and we shared that cheesecake. It was so good. So we met up with Hannah's two cousins and my brother and sister-in-law. They happened to live nearby in Charlotte, so we got to hang out with them while we were shopping. So one of the first things that caught my eye in Ikea were these really pretty mugs, and they were a great deal at only 99 cents. They have some really pretty spring colors. So I really wish I would have measured my dining room table before I left the house, because I really wanted to get one of these table runners, but I wasn't sure if it would be long enough. So I have been searching for large bowls like this for quite a while. These are very similar to Corelle bowls. They're lightweight and they were only $1.99, so I did pick up 4 of these. So I actually had 2 of these bottles in my cart, and I was going to get them. They were only $2.99, and I decided at the last minute I really didn't need them, so I did end up putting them back. So when I saw these curtains right here, I immediately fell in love with them. I thought they were so pretty. They were $24.99 per set, and they have a beautiful fig pattern on them. And they also had matching pillow covers as well. So speaking of pillows, check out the print on this one. I just thought it was so adorable. The next couple of things that I want to share with you guys are these light fixtures, and just watch. When you pull the little chain, they open up. The first one looks like flowers blooming, and the second one is just futuristic, but I also thought it was pretty neat. So here is everything that's in my cart, not including the furniture pieces that we got. So now I'm going to share with you everything that we purchased today at Ikea. So here's an overview of everything that we purchased today. And you might notice the curtains in the top corner. I did buy them. They didn't look right, so I am going to return them. So the first thing that I purchased was the bowls. I got 4 of them. They're just white, they're microwave and dishwasher safe, and they're big. I'm gonna eat salads and soups in these, and I'm finally happy that I actually have some. The next thing that I purchased were these 2 glass food storage containers, and they have snap lids on them, and I think they were like $4.99 per container. The next thing that I purchased were 2 Squeegees. We're going to keep one in our shower, and we're going to keep one in the garage to use for our car, and they were $1.99 each. This last item was something that Hannah purchased with her own money, and they are Dragonfly Twinkle lights. You can use them indoor or outdoor, and they were about $19.99 for the set. So now Hannah is going to show you all of the furniture pieces that we got for her room.
Hi! So I just wanted to show you my new Ikea desk that I built with my dad. I really love my desk. It's so nice and simple and clean looking and overall just great. So I put my old plant from my other desk, we put it on here to soften it up. And then I have my dog Coco, and I have this Dollar Tree lamp, and I have my laptop, and I built this chair all by myself with no help. Just a little help from my mom, but that's really it. With my desk, I have these really nice drawers. They're really easy to open and they're really pretty and they took away all your junk. I bought with my own money these really pretty firefly lights that I hung on my window. They remind me a lot of Coraline. That's why I love them so much. So that's really all I have for my desk. I might be adding some more decorations to make it look more like me. Now I'm gonna show you my shelf that is on the other side of the room.
So the last item that we purchased for Hannah's room was this shelf right above her closet. It was $14.99, and we just have a combination of art and her plushies on top of it. And I will also try to link everything that I showed in today's video down in the description box.
So the last thing that I got from Ikea that I bought with my own money was this really cute beluga. It's so cute and I loved it so much. I named it Bailey the Beluga from Finding Dory. And it's really cute and I really love it and it's really soft. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and comment, like, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we post a new video. Enjoy your day. Bye.